Hello. Today is Tuesday. It's February 6th. It's Retreat Briefing. Today's topic is Bitcoin positive signal in short term. How about in long term? Altcoins are having a pump, and Goya dominance point is also showing a good move in morning. But I told you yesterday that there is long holiday for Asia, and Goya dominance chart for the 3 weeks seems like pointing downwards, so this part would be a key point to watch. So let's talk about more when watching our Goya premium chart. So let's begin. Today we have a new chart which shows a dominance for today, for a day. Yeah, Bitcoin's dominance is keep decreasing, and Ethereum's dominance increased a little, and altcoins' dominance fluctuated a lot. Yeah, this one, by looking at the long tails up and down from candle. Simply looking at this, you can notice that the Bitcoin's money are moving to Ethereum or altcoins, and this means that Bitcoin's price isn't just decreasing right away, but a lot of, but some money are moved to altcoins and making them pump. So this situation might last longer than, and the possibility of decrease with Bitcoin is definitely here. So this is a Goya dominance chart. It's different from this one. It's 2024 February 5, 1 p.m. to 7, 12 p.m. And you can see that the dominance point is going upward right now. So finding a coin with increased signals such as L, L1, L2, L3 might have a good result, but after the increase there will definitely be a decreasing adjustment in price. So if the price is already high enough, you should be careful with those coins. So this is a liquidation heat map for last 24 hours. And as you can see, the Bitcoin and Ethereum had a slight increase because the short positions were liquidated. It's red. And other coins seems like they had a lot of struggles going on. So it's a chaotic market. So in this chaotic market, I prefer you guys to do a spot trading instead of futures with safe coins such as like Bitcoin or Ethereum. And less liquidation were the total liquidation were made comparing to yesterday, so it's hard to see that they made a big waves on the market. So this is a 4-hour liquidation heat map, and it seems like ENS and XMR, which had an issue, had a big fluctuation. So in total view, the market itself seemed like they lost the direction whether to go up or down, so you need to be careful when trading tonight. So this week's main event, we have a Ethereum Denkun Holsky testnet today. We're doing it right now, so you need to pay attention if this test goes well or not. And tomorrow we have USA initial jobless claims. So these two are news that might affect the crypto market for this week. And I got another news, a good news for Bitcoin, which was about the 3 reasons why Bitcoin prices are showing a good power this week. And the first reason says that Bitcoin ETF got $720 million inflow. So yeah, a lot of money came to Bitcoin. And second, the Bitcoin miners are holding amount. Yeah, Bitcoin miners holding amount has increased. So this means that they don't have to sell right now because they have enough money to maintain themselves, or they are expecting a rise, so they are keeping it. So if it's first reason, it's not that related with the crypto market, but if they are keeping those bitcoins for second reason that I told you, yeah, if they are expecting a rise from Bitcoin, so they are holding it, it might be a good news for us. And third, the network transaction fee increased, but still there are transaction happening right now, so which means that there's a demand for Bitcoin, or they are used in somewhere like to pay something, or they are trade a lot, so the value of the Bitcoin might keep increase. And this news is about MicroStrategy, which had a plan to buy more Bitcoin in January, and they actually bought 850 Bitcoin. So now they are owning 190k Bitcoin. So these kind of asset management companies used a huge amount of money and absorbed the selling pressure for normal investors like us. So it's quite a good news for people like us. And not right now, but these organizations or asset management companies like MicroStrategy, or even governments like participating to a crypto market, will definitely make Bitcoin price someday skyrocket. So it will be nice to accumulate some Bitcoins from now. And this is a liquidation heat map for Bitcoin. And yesterday, when I was showing you this picture, I told you it's really ambiguous whether to increase or decrease. But it seems like they will move near 42k. And this is for today. Let me see the exact point. Oops. Yeah, it's somewhere here. So this is for today. I think the market makers chose to, instead of decreasing the price immediately, they made an increase to liquidate the short positions. And at this place, I think they are thinking about where to go. So it would be easy to just think that they will move around just few days high point and low point somewhere inside this boxy area. So, and this is our RSI heat map for 4 hours. And yesterday we had a slight increase, and looks like the coin is now it's gapping with each other. And without some coins with issues, most of altcoins are very likely to increase, I think. So let's look at our Goya Premium chart from now. We're gonna start with Bitcoin. This is for today. Can you see it? It's moving around here. Just, I told you that the Bitcoin will, I think for now, yeah, Bitcoin will move somewhere in this area, this rectangular movement. They keep having an LS, L3, S3. It's just they are keep having an up and down zigzag moving. So yeah, they are nothing very special. It's just increase, decrease, increase, decrease, moving in sideways. We have an S signal right now, and those two signals were merged, and we have an L3. So I think I'm not pretty sure where to go, but probably a little bit downward, I think. So we gotta see if there is another S signal coming out, or if it breaks through this Goya line or not, since the price is dropping right now. So let's have a look at Ethereum. They had a quite similar move with the Bitcoin, but had a good rise, isn't it? It's we had an S signal here, an S3 right here, but it was all deleted by this L3 and L, and had a big increase all the way up to 2391 from, where is it, 2364, and tried to move in sideways and had an S signal and started to drop again, but they are moving upward, over the Goya line, and we still have L3 signal remaining and no other specific S signals. So yeah, I think probably it depends on, as I just said, if the price goes down all the way through this Goya line, then it might have a decrease, the continuous decrease. But if it rebounds and supported by the Goya line, the price might go up for more longer. And we're gonna see Ripple. Ripple also had a few big increase. Where is it? It's February 3, but started a decreasing line and started moving in a box. Somewhere near like this place. It's going up and down and up and down. So got an L, increased a little bit, dropped, increased, just moving, zigzag, and got an S signal, dropped a bit more, and started to rise again, got an L signal and L2 signal, but just dropped immediately with S2 and S, and just came down through Goya line, and the candles are keep made under here, and since the last signal I'm looking at is S2 and S, Ripple might go down for more. But I told you from many briefings that Ripples have a very good possibility of coin. So if the price goes under 0.5, I suggest you to gather some, pick up some in nice price and wait till the trial is over. When the trial with the Ripple is over, I'm pretty sure that Ripple will go up a lot. This is a chart of Dogecoin. Very similar. Yeah, probably here. Moving inside this. Oh, the first. Whoops. The first one. First box, like L, S, L, S, L, S, L, S, keep going on. Had an L, L2, but got an S and S2 right now. And the candle was created here, but it just eventually dropped under the Goya line. So I personally think that we should watch this as a short position, probably. Yeah, until we have another long signal in order to guess the price would go up and down. Yeah, so today's briefing is it for today. I hope you guys have a safe trading. So, see ya.